investment event today. And we're super excited to be working with the Canary Wharf Group to present you One Park Drive, which is designed by HERZOG de MEURON, who is the famous and well-known architect who did Tate Modern Museum, also Basingstoke Stadium.
This building that stands at over 200 metres tall by HERZOG and de MEURON architects is the crowning glory of our new development. It has been the most successful scheme of the last 2 years in London, with over 300 apartments sold.
Unique, fantastic location, great design, premier architect. This is going to be one of the best towers in London.
How beautiful and circular it is, but the fact is that all the apartments are still really square, and the circular part is given by the wonderful outside space. Beautiful high ceilings and loads of storage space in there. Amazing place to live, I believe.
It's the first residential building in Canary Wharf. Whatever comes afterwards, this will be the first.
I'm Italian, so I really appreciate the quality of style. They're not the typical boring buildings that you can see around.
We like the presence of water because feng shui is about having water in the right place.
It's in the heart of the financial center, the new district. It's in Canary Wharf. I really like this.
It's one of the prime properties for the future development. It just makes it one of the sort of key landmarks.
Its location in the heart of the Canary Wharf estate, the world-class architecture by HERZOG and de MEURON, and of course the view.